welcome to Shan News. Today's news headlines. Wait for ration cards may get longer in Telangana. Residents in Hyderabad review power cuts. Asavuddin Owaisi slammed dowry system in India. Indra Shobham quits Congress and meets Sharmila. Congress upset with the DMK over seat sharing in Tamil Nadu assembly polls. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced recently that the state government will start issuing new ration cards has resulted in the people flooding Me Seva centers. Nearly lakh of applications pending from Hyderabad district alone. Over 6 lakhs applications are pending across the state. The ration cards issue reached 87 lakhs with allegations that the large numbers of above poverty line families who also managed to get ration cards. Officials of Civil Supplies Department said that though CM has announced that the new ration cards will be issued soon, they have not received order in this direction. Officials said new ration cards cannot be issued as the poll code is in the force from the graduate MLC election. Onset of summer, several residents in the city have started facing the heat of power cuts of varied duration. Power cut became a regular affair in the areas such as Old City. Residents review the frequent power cut in the name of maintenance work. Tree trimming and repair work started to affect both workers from home and online classes for children. Many residents also complained for voltage issue. In week, power cut is of 2 to 4 hours on almost 2 to 3 days. In last week, the demand in the city has jumped from 42 million units to 50 million units per day. We expect the demand to rise up to 75 to 80 million units by April to May. This will be almost 2 million units higher than last summer, said Srinivas Reddy, Director Operation of Telangana State Southern Power Distribution Company Limited. 2 days after police arrested Arif Khan for the suicide of his wife Aisha Banu, AIMIM Chief Asavuddin Owaisi slammed the dowry system in the country and said harassing women over the social evil was not a sign for manhood, no matter which religion you belong to. End this greedy for dowry. Harassing your wife, beating up her for dowry or any financial transaction is not a manhood. Owaisi spoke in detail about Aisha, who committed suicide in Ahmedabad allegedly due to harassment by her husband and in-laws for dowry. The MP expressed grief over the suicide of girl. How many more women have to suffer? What kind of men are these that kills women? Is humanity dead among people? There are so many men who torture women, physically assault them, seek dowry and yet pretend to be an angel in the outside world. Owaisi said, adding that one may fool the world but cannot fool Allah. It is sinful to seek dowry in Islam. Women of the country should not fear this man and not take any extreme steps. Your life are valued. Rather leave such man and live life of dignity. TPCC official spokesperson Indra Shobham met via Sharmila at her Lower Ponds residence after resigning from Congress. After meeting Sharmila, Indra said she quit the Congress because of growing group politics within the party, saying that injustice was meant out to her in the Congress. She said Sharmila announced that Telangana will be her priority, so I have decided to extend my support to her. Indra said Congress was not able to give a formidable fight to the ruling TRS and addressed there is a great need to fight the TRS. Indra was aspiring for Hyderabad Rangareddy Mahbubnagar graduate MLC constituency, but the party leadership gave the ticket to the former minister Chinna Reddy. DMK and Congress alliance has hit a rough patch ahead of the assembly polls in Tamil Nadu. Congress alleged that DMK is arrogant and behaving like an elder brother when it comes to seat sharing. DMK Stalin head outfit has refused to give 30 assembly seats to Congress to contest in upcoming polls. The state Congress leaders will meet today to take a final decision on whether to remain in the alliance or not to expect to be taken. Like our channel. For more details, please subscribe and click the bell icon.